We'll guide you through how to make space between text and stroke in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by finding Adobe Illustrator on your desktop. In this tutorial, we are using Adobe Illustrator 2019. Double-click the icon to open the program. After Illustrator is opened, you can choose to create a new file or use an existing file. You can also choose the Fast Create option for convenience if you want a quicker setup and start working faster. This time, use the Create New option instead. This option gives more choices to customize your document settings before you start working. Make sure the width and height are adjusted to your liking based on the project you plan to create. You can also choose the metric system that matches your preference. Click Advanced option to show more settings. Choosing CMYK as the default color mode gives more variety when selecting colors. Choosing screen on raster effects is better since the design will not be printed and is mainly for digital use. After everything is ready, select Create, and your artboard is done. On the left side, select the text tool, then click the artboard. Type the text you want to use for the design. Drag the corner of the text box so the text becomes bigger and easier to read. You can also move the text to the center so it is easier to see while editing. Select that text again, then find the Windows option on the top menu. Click it, find the Appearance menu, and select that option. Find the Add New Field button, which looks like a square button with an outline, and select it. A new set of customization options will appear in the panel. Double-click on the stroke option and choose your desired color for the outline. You can adjust the stroke thickness by editing the number manually, or just click the up and down arrow option beside it. If needed, change the font so the style looks better with the stroke effect and becomes more visible. Select the text again, return to the Windows menu, then open the Appearance panel once more. Find the Add New Stroke button and press it 2 times to add 2 new strokes. Adjust the first and second stroke thickness with a 1:2 ratio. The first stroke will act as the space between the text and outer stroke. Adjust the thickness and color to your liking. And just like that, you are successfully adding space between your stroke and text in Illustrator.